The universe, as understood through classical physics, operates on a foundation of separation. Every object exists in its own defined space, existing independently, bound only by the rules of distance and causality. Yet, deep within this realm lies a connection that mocks this separation: quantum entanglement. This phenomenon is not merely a quirk of subatomic particles. It is an astonishing mystery woven into the very fabric of reality, challenging everything we assume about how things are connected. Entanglement dictates that two or more particles can become linked in such a way that they share the same fate, behaving as a single system, no matter how vast the physical distance separating them. Imagine two entities born from the same quantum event, yet existing light years apart. They remain instantaneously correlated. Measuring the state of one particle immediately reveals the state of its partner across any expanse. This instantaneous mirroring defies our everyday experience of speed and space, suggesting that separation is an illusion imposed by our limited classical minds. This observation hints at a deeper truth, underlying the seemingly separate components of the cosmos. It suggests that the fundamental structure of existence is not fragmented but unified. The entanglement of these particles points toward a cosmic dance where everything is interconnected, vibrating in harmony across unimaginable voids. This invisible tether reminds us that the separation we feel between ourselves and the world is temporary, an echo fading away from the true, singular unity of all things. To grasp this profound connection, we must look beyond conventional limits. Consider the ancient wisdom found in the parables and hidden meanings of old spiritual traditions, which speak of interwoven destinies. Picture two coins flipped simultaneously, miles apart. If one lands heads, the other instantly assumes tails, or vice versa. This is not simple chance. It is a predetermined relationship woven into their very existence. In the quantum realm, this concept becomes exponentially more powerful when we measure the state of one entangled particle, determining if it is spinning up or down. We instantly know the state of its partner. The measurement of one particle instantaneously dictates the reality of the other. Across unimaginable distances, there is no physical signal traveling between them. The connection operates outside the constraints of light speed, defying our classical understanding of separation. This instantaneous linkage suggests a deeper reality lurking beneath the surface of our perceived physical world. This spooky action at a distance reveals a hidden mechanism, an intrinsic harmony where the universe is not an assembly of isolated objects drifting randomly in space, but rather a single, unified tapestry where every thread is intrinsically linked. Einstein wrestled deeply with this phenomenon, labeling it an action at a distance, a connection that defied established rules of separation and time. If two particles can instantaneously mirror each other across unimaginable gulfs, what does this imply for our understanding of causality? It forces us to confront a fundamental contradiction within the framework of classical physics. The universe insists that no physical influence can travel faster than the speed of light, establishing a rigid boundary on how reality unfolds. Yet, entanglement suggests an unseen tether operating outside these known constraints. This implies that the separation we perceive in our everyday experience is merely an illusion imposed by our limited perspective. The correlation exists, but the outcome remains fundamentally random until the moment of observation. No signal or deliberate message is transmitted faster than light. The connection reveals a deeper reality that transcends our conventional spatial awareness. This inherent interconnectedness hints at a reality far more unified than our linear, separated perception allows us to grasp. It suggests that the separateness we feel is merely a localized trick of consciousness, masking a profound unity woven into the very fabric of existence. Perhaps this quantum link is not just a physical law. but a glimpse into the deeper pattern hinted at in ancient texts and veiled prophecies, revealing the hidden meaning of oneness that underlies all apparent duality. The intricate dance of quantum entanglement whispers a profound truth about the nature of existence. If reality, at its most fundamental level, is composed of systems inextricably linked across vast distances, then the notion of absolute separation dissolves into an elegant illusion woven by our limited perception. The universe is not a collection of isolated objects moving independently, but a single, unified tapestry where every thread shares an instantaneous correlation. This deep interconnectedness suggests that the divisions we experience between self and other, matter and spirit, observer and observed, are merely perceptual filters imposed by our familiar framework. What entanglement reveals is that there is no true isolation. Everything vibrates within a shared field of potentiality. This realization echoes the ancient wisdom found in the oldest spiritual traditions, hinting at a reality far more unified than the material world allows us to grasp through linear thought. When we look beyond the speed of light and the constraints of physical space, we begin to perceive this underlying unity. The correlation between particles is not merely a mathematical trick. It is a reflection of a deeper synchronicity that governs all things. It points toward an inherent structure, a hidden meaning woven into the fabric of reality itself, suggesting a universal consciousness from which all phenomena emerge and into which they return. This interconnected web invites us on a spiritual awakening. To recognize entanglement is to recognize our place within a greater whole. It implies that the separation we strive to maintain is not an objective fact, but a conceptual construct. The universe is fundamentally one resonant field,